Short grooves. Alright, let's count and play the hi-hat on the eighth notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 1. For the snare, we're going to play ghost notes on the and of 1, the and of 2, and on 3. Snare backbeat is on 4, and then there's ghost notes on the and of 5 and on 6. See if you can follow along. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and. If you want to simplify it a little bit, no worries at all. Cut out the ghost notes and just play the backbeat on 4. Practice that, get comfortable with it, and then add the ghost notes in. Kick is on 1, the and of 3, and the and of 6. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 1. Add everything together. If you want more control of your ghost notes, check out the Accents and Taps module in my Better Hands course. I'll give you a lesson, how to practice video, exercises, make sure that you're comfortable with ghost notes, and accents, which is handy for that backbeat on 4.